Jo.
To film the way?
Yeah. S'ka problem. Ndaloje.
Zie je, dat mag.
Unë kam frikë.
This trip just keeps getting better and better. I thought we were just going to Theth, but we're traveling right through the Dukagjin highlands. We're now in Shoshi. We've got Shoshi territory over this side, and I believe that's probably still Shala that side. These are different tribes in the area. And there's so many rules and regulations between how they interact with each other, how they marry, blood feuds happen here, and there's so many rules and regulations that they follow, and they're very strict about it. Blood feuds don't happen today. Well, possibly some. I can't really talk with full authority there, and I don't really want to step on anyone's toes. But in this area, it's been isolated for so long, for hundreds and hundreds of years, and possibly even longer. And over that time, they've built up a code, what's called a Besa, and that was written down finally in the 1400s by Dukagjin, who was one of the noble leaders of this area, who also teamed up with Skanderbeg in the fight against the Ottomans. And the people up here, they're called Malasori. They're the mountain people. They have a fierce independence that resisted the Ottomans, and it was too hard. You look at these mountains here, it's just too hard to get an army up in here to try and suppress these people. You can forget it. They're going to get you every time you go through some pass, your history. So they left them alone.
So, Troya is Albanian word, because you said it, Troya, for the land who you build the houses, but you can say also the Troya for all the big villages, or all the big region, right. That's mean who, my father it was ground, or my big father was ground there. That's mean the Troya. This word all Albanian use more today. The land who you build the houses, that's Troya.
Right. Okay.
Because why the Trojans are Albanian? Because we use this name more today.
Yeah, right.
Because now I come in my Troya and I show you my Troya.
Valley of Shala, it's not same like the Valley of Kiri, the Valley of...
Yeah, this is very different.
Yeah, because more wild, more aggressive, more, you know, it's...
More trees.
Yeah, but it's good for the production because it's warm. The area is good for the production.
Wow.
Fruits and vegetables and
Wow.
here in this area also the figs ground up because the temperature are so
It's
good.
good temperature. Wow.
Yeah. But it's not so open like Shala. Shala it's open.
Yes.
It's torn by the mountains.
Yes. Here's more. It's a
It's
narrow
more different, it's-
Lugin.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Yeah. I thought it was. Anyway. Mali, shume math. Eminent Mali.
After that it's Shkodra.
After that's po.
Sa bukur këty kasneci, ha? Qa gjelbrimit. Pa dal vera shumë herët. Ti i ke fshati që është përballë.
Si mi emra jo.
Po janë këto më ditër kasneci se tonë të janë gjofësa. Martini, ja. Dhe Martini më duket është prej kasnecit ashtë.
Fotografi këtu, s'ka problem këtu, Ndaloje, të lutem, me shumë mirë. Faleminderit shumë.
Shi sa bukur këto, Ky është guri plum. Këtë i thojnë guri plum se ka shumë plum ategër.
Ka plum ategër?
Aha. Se zakonisht plum ategër gjenë shkami, kështu që e kanë mbrojtur nga kafshët e tjera.
Ndaloje Urivera, huh? Urivera?
Ujvara.
Urivara.
Yeah.
Me shumë.
The other one here is, no, this one is here.
Po.
Here. They call it stupe. It's good also to make the energy, but the government, I don't know why they block all the energy in this area. Ka shumë më shpejt bëhet, no, shpeni më shpejt.
Shikon? Diferencë do të thonë. I madh, por ai e myt, është shumë më i shpejt.
Ky është më i shpejt, e myt ata.
Shpejt, luftarak.
Skipterit e thojnë falkon.
Falkon një skipter një ashtë. Sokoli një emër, thani njëti. Sa sokoli thojnë. Po.
Thjesht duhet përkullen janë këto avionat ushtarak amerikan,
Po.
falkon.
Bravo.
E njëjta gjë.
Haps fletët, është mënyra është.
E njëjta gjë, sepse skifteri dhe shqiponjen e myllë, po vetmi shans është që shqiponja nitet lartësi shumë të madhe, ky nuk e përballon presionin.
Trysnin, po, vërtet.
So, the sworn virgin, the sworn virgins that in this area, the women that become men.
No more.
No more, yeah.
No more.
Yeah.
All the women now want the man.
All the women now?
It's like the man, you know.
Yeah, right. All of them, not just some. Yeah. But it's a very interesting tradition, though, isn't it?
It was in the time because, if you don't have the man,
You had no house, no land,
the land and the house go to the cousins.
to the cousins.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So some woman tried to ground little bit more 30 years, more 40 years, more 20 years, that depends.
Yeah.
The name of the family,
Yes.
begin to smoke, to be dressed by the man, like the man.
Be with the men. And the men would accept this as a man completely and absolutely. Yeah. What happened if someone disrespected and said that she was a woman?
No, it's not never ever.
Never happened.
No, because it's the honor of the family, It's
Yeah.
No, I never heard.
Of anyone doing that. Yeah.
No, especially in Dukagjin, it's not possible in this area.
But someone would do that, you mean?
No, it's not possible because the tolerance here is zero,
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, it's,
You stick to the rule and
you are so
yeah, and that's it.
strict.
Yeah. And you still find that today? That attitude that you wouldn't disrespect
now
someone.
is-
You
now
wouldn't
is the-
disrespect someone's family name. Yeah.
Now
Today.
is the time of internet, it's difficult to say, but when I was young boy, the respect and the
Was
things
everything.
because you change the regime, but the concept of the family is difficult to change.
Yeah. Shumë bukur. Unë jam fotograf këtu, të lutem, Ndaloje. Faleminderit shumë. Bravo, shumë.
Me felçala ka ardhë nej, thethim shumicën e kohës, po shoshi ka ardhë tu ku të thaq, po shala plani këta kanë ardhë tanë këtu, po ashtë si duken të majet atje, poshtë pishave që janë të majet, të edhe shtëpia që duken atje, edhe kanë shku kanë dalë në qaf atje. Me fjallë, i ka taku 8-9 orë, për shumë prej Breglumit me ranë Shkodër. Mas harro se njështë kanë pilota, kanë esë me shpejtësi të jashtëzakonshme. time, yeah?
I don't care. I have a look. Shume.
Tash që këtu ka kënë makina e kësaj që ka mis kaza stukaza, shoqi saj që kanë të jelqu rrugën këtu, ku është lavidari, ja kanë qu rrugën policisë. Në fakt, këta kanë hinë kretë kundërt. Këta kanë të ardhë, a më kupton? Edhe për me jelqu rrugën policisë kanë hinë këtu. A më kupton, nuk kanë majtë krajnë e vetë, me hinë policia atja, a më kupton? A i ka shkel ma ne aty në tokë të budë me fjallë, e ka thith. A italiani më nej, se italian ka kënej shoqja e saj. Një dita ka kënë djali nansi, djali dajsi nansi. Ja, përsata, kanë dy orë prej shoshit. Ja, kanë dy orë prej shoshit. Po ecë në makinë, e më javësu aty nëse këta me sirene, ja, a më tonë. In the Shkodan tradition, you don't have right to put somebody in your houses. Because the law, the Ottoman law, make the rule.
Ndaloje, gazetarin.
No, që bravo.
Frikësoi se është.
Kanë bërë mirë se këtu s'ke pas ku mundru, është dasht mes me kilometra, më tonë. Qa fletë? Ka 5-6 kilometra është dasht me ecës manë. S'ke pas ku ndrosh, atë në shko kanë probleme në të. Këtu e në burim, kjo burim renton verën. Ashtu i shumë e mija. Që e guri kuq për nej qëtë guri kuq, Ashtë të duket dhe në gjyra e gurit. Kanë si të rivjerë?
Po, unë shkoj. Shumë buka.
It's not possible to.
It looks good for swimming too, yeah? In better in summer.
The temperature in summer, it's wow. A ke arë mulla në herë kira? Shë se të kuq...
Hier kam kanë. Prit brakal.
Dhe më falë talë, kirë si uj, Po, nuk shtrajt mos e mane se vjen marr mane. Totally.
Look at the folding in that.